Listen, listen. Let's see what she says.
Go again.
Good though.
The next station is Royal York. Royal York Station.
That's our station. Who? Because they're reading books. Because no one knows each other. Everybody's strangers. We know each other, so we're talking. That's why it's nice to say hi to people sometimes. Because maybe they're all lonely. Royal York, what? This is our stop. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, we have to go out this way. Out this door where these guys are going out. Jump over, jump over. Jump! Alright. Bye, train. Down the tunnel it goes.